Imagine this: Moses, after leading his people for 40 long years, finally stands at the edge of the promised land. He can see it, right there in front of him. But then, God tells him, "Your journey ends here." Now, you might think, wow, that's harsh. Did he do something wrong? But what if it wasn't a punishment? What if it was about purpose? Moses had finished the task God had given him. His part of the story was complete. Sometimes, God closes a chapter in our lives, not because we failed, but because we've fulfilled our assignment. Think about it. Even the greatest leaders don't get to walk every single path. Some paths are meant for the next generation to forge. Joshua was ready to take over. So, if you're facing an ending right now, a job loss, a relationship ending, a dream that seems to have died, don't see it as your defeat. Your ending is not the end of the story. It just means one season is over, and God is preparing you for a new one. He has a plan, and it's always for your good. If you believe God is your guide, comment "God is my guide" below. And don't forget to follow The Beatz Breaker for more powerful truths like this. Thanks for watching.